Okay, so to continue with our exercise number 6, we will be designing window grills of which dimensions are equal. So we have 0.8 by 1.2. Okay, so if you are using sliding windows, window grills are highly advisable for security purposes. Okay, so we have new layers to set. Please take note of them. For AR01, so that's color 251. Again, we are uniform. Line weight is, we don't have zero point 0.1, but we have a 0.09, so this will suffice. Next is AR02. Color is 154. Line type is continuous. Okay, so that's it. That's technically zero point 0.2 for the line weight. And AR03, that is color 202, continuous for line type, zero point 0.3 for the line weight. AR04, that is color 248. Or let's change it into something more contrasting in our screen. Maybe, okay, no, not this one. Yan, color 51. Okay, so take note of that. Change your AR04 layer for to the color of 51. Line type will be continuous. Line weight, so kiniklik lang po doon yon, make it 0.40. And AR05, color is 66. Line type is continuous. Okay, so line weight is 0.50. What are these layers stands for? I usually use these layers for objects that are general in classifications. Unlike, for example, if you have columns, technically, columns lang sila. But for example, for window grills na hindi naman ganun critical when it comes to organizing your drawings, I usually classify their objects according to the line weight that I wanted them to be printed. Okay, so again, these layers contains all of the elements in architectural presentation according to their appropriate line type or line weight also. Okay, anyway, just double click AR05 as your current layer, and we have 3 window grill designs. So just to check, by distance command, provided OSNAP is on. So again, this is 0.80 by 1.20. Okay, so everything is uniform. So let's span. So that's REC, enter. I'll just hover my cursor. Yan, and then type at 0.80, comma 1.20. You can always adjust these measurements depende dun sa measurement ng window na paglalagyan mo. Okay? Anyway, we're just going to offset. Okay? Let me check. This offset distance is 0.1. Okay, so what we have now is, if I'm going to offset this rectangle by 0.1, this will be the outcome. But I want these segments to be extending dun sa main rectangle. So better yet, I just need to erase this and explode the rectangle. X, enter. Okay, select this one, enter. And then I will be doing O, enter. Offset distance is 0.1, so enter lang to accept this. And then select object to offset. I will be selecting this and upwards. Select, click, select and click, and select and click. Enter. Okay. And then for this horizontal members, so that is 0.10 also. So O, enter. So no need to change this because it's just the same spacing that we need. So enter to accept. So select this and click and enter. We don't need this excess lines, so we can trim them, or we can actually eliminate those excess lines by just simply clicking the grip. But first you have to select your object and then click the grip, and that's perpendicular. That can also be intersection. Okay, then escape, O, enter. Same spacing, enter to accept. select the same object and click multiple because we are going to copy it on a multiple manner. Then just click. Okay, and enter to terminate. Okay, so that's quick save. Next, this will just be a series of arcs, and as you can see, they are somewhat synonymous. The railing or the grill 1 to the grill 2, meron po silang similar elements. So the main rectangle and this objects that we have offset earlier. So we can just copy. CO, enter, select this, that one, this. Okay. And enter. Okay. And I will just be picking from here. Yan. Sub lang natin ng konti. Okay. Click enter. And then I have a series of arcs, but they are in violet. So let us click. So they should be in AR03. So you have to click on your ribbon. Look for AR03. Okay. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 arcs. Okay. So let's see. So that's A, enter. Okay. I'll start here. 1, 2, and 3. If there is a chance na lumagpas siya, you can just simply select the arc, stretch a little. Okay, that's good. And followed by another arc, this one. So I'll just be typing A, enter. So that's 1, 2, and a little. It's fine if you're having some troubles because you can just click this in here. There you go. You can just click there. This one, dito. Okay, then escape. Then another A, enter. So just 5 arcs for this exercise. Okay. So kung wala naman lumagpas, walang problema. Again, A, enter. Intersection 1, 2, and 3. And last one. Let me see how that goes. Okay, so TR, enter, enter. Okay, so almost done. The next thing is you just have to mirror, MI, enter. Then just select these 5 objects, enter, and specify first point of mirror line. So this is our first point of mirror line, or you can also have the midpoint dun sa taas. Then we're going to pick midpoint down to the other midpoint. Okay, click and enter. That's it. So quick save. And we have another one. This one is it's just a series of vertical square bars and just some rectangles inside. And we have a total distance of 0.15 or 6 inches in between. So that's again CO, enter. Select this object, enter. And we pick from here, going there, para pantay-pantay po yung distance. And we create a line, L, enter, midpoint to midpoint, enter. O, enter, that's point 15, enter, then 1 and 2, enter. Okay? So we'll just mirror the other half later. And quick save, and we need a rectangle inside here or dun sa gitna. So let us check the dimension of the rectangle. That is 0.75 by 0.7 or 0.7. Okay, so that's REC, enter. Just pick one and then type at 0.075 comma 0.7, enter. Okay, then I will just be moving it using the M2P option. M, enter, select object, click, enter. So I want to get the middle part of this rectangle, pero hindi naman po possible yun. So instead, I will be using M2P, enter. So I will be picking this endpoint here and this endpoint on the other side, and there you go. Nasa gitna na siya, and we have a midpoint here, so you can just click that. Click and TR, enter, enter. Then you click the excess part inside the rectangle, okay? And CO, enter. Select this center. This will be your base point, and this will be your point of displacement. Click, enter, and again, trim the excess, TR, enter, enter. And for the other half, again, to be symmetrical, that is MI, enter. Select this object, this, and that one, enter. And specify first point of mirror line, so this can be an endpoint and it can also be a midpoint. And second point of mirror line, the one dun sa baba. Click and enter. Okay, so that's it. Quick save. After that, we're going to convert it into PDF. So you click layout, or try natin yung ibang command version niya. TM for tile mode, enter. Currently nasa 1 tayo. Let us change it to 0, enter. So that's another way. If you want to switch between model and layout, you can click this tab, or you can also command for TM and change the value to 1 or 0 if you want to switch between these two drawing environments. Okay, I'll just copy this, CO, enter. After selecting, press enter, and we don't have an exact or we cannot do the same with this because we have a layout or a portrait viewport here. So what we're going to do is just guide the cursor from the endpoint and just hover it with your track. Okay, enter. Okay, zoom in and double click inside and look for your drawings. There you go. Okay, so let's try this on a scale of 30. 1 is to 30. Say enter. 1 over 30 XP. Enter. It's too small. Say enter. 1 over 10 XP. Let's try. Okay. Say enter. 1 over 15 XP. I guess we just have to move closer. I'll just move this. Okay, move them by 0.2 and move it also by 0.2. They enter 1 over 10 XP. Okay, just right. Medyo magkakadikit lang na masyado, but I'm good with this. So double click outside and Control S. So you know the drill. Control P and convert it to PDF. And for this one, the file name is exercise 06. Okay, so that's it.